I'm bored. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Julia. Nice to meet you, and I'm extremely bored. So I'm home for spring break, and I didn't really have any plans. I look like trash. Just looked at myself, ew. I didn't really have any plans this spring break. I was just planning on like maybe hanging out with friends, family, but now this whole like coronavirus is happening, so I haven't really left my house. Well, I've only been home for like a day or two. So I thought I'd show you guys what I got in like my newest boxycharm and FabFitFun box, because I opened it in my car ride on the way to Miami because I'm impatient and I wanted to open it. So I'm gonna show you guys. So first is boxycharm, which is the largest box for like this amount of things, but I do like my boxycharm. So first thing, I've already swatched it. It's this palette from boxycharm that they made themselves. I believe they did like a collaboration with Pure Cosmetics, like in one of their boxes. It's very pretty, as you can see. Like I already like played with it, like swatched it. It's cute. I was gonna like do a whole eye look with it, but like I'm lazy. I don't want to do that right now. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. Okay. Next is this instant repair yogurt hair mask, which I'm excited to try. My hair is very like ill right now. I should be getting it dyed within the next couple of days. We'll see how like the whole coronavirus thing goes, if my appointment will get canceled. I don't feel like it will. Hair mask, it has like yogurt, so I'm excited to try this. I love hair masks. Next is this liquid highlighter from Kat Von D. I've never had a product from her, honestly. I think you open it from this side. Nope. Okay, this side. So it's pretty much like you twist it and then it comes out, I think. There it goes. 10 minutes later. Oh, it is a pretty color. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. But it is pretty. I don't know how often I use it. I'm not really like a liquid highlighter person. But we'll see. We'll play with it a little bit. Okay, next there's this lip gloss from Vintage by Jessica Liebs. But it's just like this pink like lip glossy. I feel like this is a good like topper if you're going for like a Barbie-esque look. I feel like I'm gonna need this in the next upcoming week. And the last thing is this like little mini curler. So if you know me, you know I have my go-to curling wand. I love that thing with all my heart. I tell everyone to buy it. It's such a good price point. It keeps my curls in. It's just the most magnificent hair curler ever. And I don't know how I can replace it, but this one's really freaking cute. Look how cute it is. So the one I have is a 1-inch one, and then this one is a 0.75, so 3/4 of an inch. Math. So I'm excited to try. I feel like this would maybe be good to like bring to go. That's it for the boxycharm. Next is the FabFitFun box. So the FabFitFun box only comes in like 4 times a year. First of all, Jane Villanueva, aka Gina Rodriguez, is the cover of the little magazine thing. I love her. Oh, she looks good as a blonde. So we'll read this later. Well, I'll read this later by myself. But I'm gonna show you everything that I got. It always comes with like these little coupon things. There's always like a HelloFresh thing in here. So you open it. Let me show you the inside. Let me take a thumbnail. So this is the box. It has a bunch of stuff. This one's very organized. So we'll go left to right. So first thing are these silicone straws. I bought silicone straws like once, like probably almost a year ago, and I just never used them. So I feel like this will force me to use them. Oh, these are so much prettier than the ones I got. These pretty colors. And then it comes with one of these things so you can take it to go. These are what mine came in too. Next is this AG hair care. I don't know what this brand is. I guess it's AG. Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner Moisturizer. So it's just like a leave-in conditioner. Next is this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings from This Works. So it's used nightly after bathing before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while asleep. I'm gonna use this tonight because like my skin right now is horrible. Super cute. Next is this, okay, I'm gonna totally butcher this. Thermale Avini from, I'm assuming it's Avini, that's the brand. Avine, whatever. Thermal spring water. And oh, this is like in French. So it's thermal spring water. Why did it take me so long to realize that this is like in a different language? It's in French. I love how this is in French. It makes me feel fancy. So let's, I feel refreshed. It's really hydrating because I have like facial sprays. I usually use like the Mara Badesco, or one that I also got into a FabFitFun box. It's like this rose water, Grace, it was Grace something, I don't know. This one feels like the most like water, like it feels the most hydrating. But this is a good one for like winter, especially if like your skin gets very dehydrated like mine does. Okay, so next is this Javanera Medianella Rosewood and Let's see, Uviva body oil with mongogo and pomegranate oil. I think you put this on your body. Am I wrong? So our rosewood body oil is a cold press infusion. Oh, it's anti-aging formula will moisturize, soothe, and replenish your skin the way nature intends with no harsh chemicals. And it gives you a youthful glow. Let's try this. Let's oil my body. So I'll just put it on this hand. Hold on. Hey, when you get something new, then you gotta wait for it to come out. Oh, it's like well, what I expect, it's an oil. Let's put this all over. This kind of feels like at the nail salon what they put on your hands, which is oil. It smells like professional. It doesn't smell like something like you buy at the store. Like, it smells like something like you'd have to like special order. Next is this Murad why can't I speak? Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. You just use this in your skincare routine. It's fast-acting treatment to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and immediately restores a more useful appearance. Oh wait, I haven't even been saying the prices. So let's do a roundup of there's 2 more things in the box. Well, let's do a roundup so far. What everything costs. So drum roll please. This fast food AG conditioner costs $24. This deep sleep body cocoon this work costs $40. Wow. This water thingy that's in French and English, that took me forever to realize that it was in French, costs $14. Not that bad. I thought it was gonna cost more. These silicone straws, $15. This body oil costs $68. Oh my god. The collagen costs $78. Okay, so next I have, it's a 2-in-1 Purifying Glow Mask Collection. It is this. It kind of looks like when you take it out, what are the Keurig pots? It's this. But they're super cute. It comes with 4 of each. And it also comes with a really nice like application brush. And this is $45. Comes with a brush. Like, I feel like this is like a pretty decent price, like with the brush, but especially with like so many masks, and I'm assuming these are like very good quality. And the last thing, which is I'm most excited about, I think it's the last thing, is this. It's a wrinkle and anti-aging device from Revive, and it comes with batteries. I feel like these devices never come with batteries. They're like, batteries not included. I'm like, then why am I buying it? Oh, this is $68. This is the most expensive thing in the box. That's crazy. I would think this would be the most expensive thing. Let's put this in. Why am I stupid and I can't figure this out? Let's turn it on. Oh, I just put batteries in. Why isn't it working? There we go. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Ow. Oh my god, I'm blinded. But look. Well, you can't really see the red unless it's like facing my skin. So you're supposed to have a kind of like clean and dry face, but like we're just gonna ignore that for a second. It looks like disco lights. It's like I'm in the club. Okay, now that I'm blinded, I'm pretty much done unboxing it. Let me know if you got a FabFitFun or boxycharm box. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you got, because I know people get like different things. I'm sorry if this video is kind of boring or like it's not what like usually do. I want to do more fun videos. I had videos planned to do over spring break, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do them, so leave me ideas in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.